bakit wala pa kayo sa area namin, no? As mentioned earlier, no, we continually expand our infrastructure, and this 2016, yung Far North Luzon will continually expand that. Our Metro Manila, tuloy-tuloy namin expand yung Metro Manila, covering all the cities within Metro Manila. Earlier nabanggit ko, right now we have about 1,300 kilometers already within Metro Manila alone. And we'll continue expanding it. All the barangays, the sitios, we want to reach everyone. No? And then, of course, south of Luzon, no? Calabarzon. Okay, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, we're expanding right now. No? And in terms of other areas, like, siguro tatanungin nyo, Visayas, Mindanao as well, no? We will be expanding soon on those areas as well. Okay. We're planning to do our longer term roadmap is to do a undersea cable facilities as well, reaching Visayas and Mindanao.